In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google site permission issues. If people can't view your site or collaborators say they can't make edits, it usually comes down to how permissions are set. Google Sites uses the same sharing model as Google Drive, so a quick review and adjustment often solves the problem right away. First, open your Google site. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for work, school, or personal projects. Once your site is open in the editor, look toward the top of the page for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that, then choose Sharing and Permissions. This is the control center for who can access your site and what they're allowed to do. Inside Sharing and Permissions, you'll see a list of people and groups who currently have access to the draft site. This is where you confirm that the right individuals have the appropriate level. In general, give editor access to anyone who needs to build pages, change layouts, add content, or update navigation. Editors can modify the site structure, so only grant this to trusted collaborators. Give viewer access to people who only need to look at the draft without making changes. This is useful for stakeholders who review content but don't contribute directly. If someone is missing from the list, use the Add People or Groups field to invite them. Type their email address, then assign editor if they're a collaborator or viewer if they're strictly reviewing. If you see anyone who shouldn't be there, remove them to keep things tidy and secure. You may also see domain-based options if you're using a work or school account. These let you limit access to people within your organization, which is helpful when you want to keep drafts internal. While you're here, take a moment to check link sharing options. If link sharing is off, only explicitly added people will have access. If it's set to your organization or anyone with the link, access will be broader. Choose the setting that matches your privacy needs, and remember that broader link sharing is convenient but less secure. When you've ensured the right people have editor or viewer access, you're done. By opening your site, going to settings, and reviewing sharing and permissions, you'll resolve most access troubles quickly and confidently.